This is the fourth episode of my 100 healthy recipes, and my current weight is 55.4 kilograms. This is 3 kilograms lighter than last week. Trust me, as long as you maintain a healthy diet and exercise moderately, losing weight is really not difficult. Today we are going to make shrimp salad with tahini dressing. Shrimp is a great source of protein and low in calories, making it an excellent option for weight management. The colorful vegetables provide essential nutrients and antioxidants, while the dressing adds a burst of flavor without the added calories. Okay, let's get started. First, let's cook a stick of corn, and then cut off the kernels like this. Eating corn as a staple food provides essential nutrients and fiber for overall health. I chose asparagus as our vegetable. Eating asparagus provides a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for overall health and well-being. Cut cherry tomatoes in half. I prepared 250 grams of fresh live shrimp. Remove heads, shells, and devein the shrimp. Pour some olive oil into the pan. Heat over medium heat and fry the minced garlic until fragrant. Then add the shrimp. Pan-fried on both sides. Add some pepper and salt. The shrimp only need to be fried for 1 to 2 minutes. No need to wash the pot, retain the fragrance. Add a little more olive oil and continue frying the asparagus and cherry tomatoes. Fry the small tomatoes until the juice comes out. Their colors are really appetizing. Add a little black pepper and salt to taste. The main principle in pairing vegetables for a light salad is to use fresh, colorful varieties. In this way, all our ingredients are ready. Then let's make a sauce. The taste of the salad depends largely on the sauce. The recipe has been shown with subtitles. You can pause to watch. This sauce is very fresh and refreshing and goes very well with our salads. Now just pour all our ingredients into a big bowl. Then pour on our sauce and stir well. Create an elegant plating for the dish. Look at how rich and bright the colors of this salad are. Will your mood improve just by looking at it? I like to pair it with some nuts. This salad is a nutritious choice. Shrimp is a good source of protein and low in calories. Other vegetables provide dietary fiber and various vitamins. Overall, this salad offers a balanced mix of nutrients and can contribute to a healthy diet. Please follow my channel. I will continue to bring you a series of 100 healthy recipes. See you next time.